At Under Pressure, we take pride in serving the Kansas City metro area, including Overland Park, Leawood, Blue Springs, Independence, Olathe, Lenexa, and more. Our general maintenance services cater to homeowners, investors, and property management companies, providing timely and reliable solutions to keep your property in top shape. We understand that emergencies happen. That's why we're here for those worst-case scenarios. Our urgent maintenance service is just a call away, ensuring we promptly address any unexpected issues your home may encounter. Time is money, especially in the real estate market. Our make-ready services are designed to minimize vacancy time. Whether you're preparing your property for the next tenant or looking to sell, our team ensures fast, effective, and affordable solutions. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Under Pressure's home maintenance services apart? Well, unlike other programs with contracts and scheduled payments, our services are one-time, providing flexibility for repairs, renovations, and upkeep as they arise. No contracts, just reliable, on-demand service. Our wide range of services includes demolition, painting, carpentry, rekeying, tile, flooring, plumbing, electrical work, and more. And yes, we handle exterior maintenance too, from gutter cleaning to deck repair and refinishing. So if you're in Overland Park, Leawood, Blue Springs, Independence, Olathe, Lenexa, or any surrounding areas within a 30-mile radius of Kansas City, give us a call at 913-274-9555. Let Under Pressure Property Services, Inc. handle every facet of your project. Licensed, insured, and certified in Kansas and Missouri, your property is in trustworthy hands. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to serving you soon.